You know what trips people up the most, more than carbs and sugar? Comparison. You see someone who has lost 80 pounds, reversed their diabetes, or is showing off toned muscles at the age of 55, and your mind immediately says, why don't I look like that? Or why isn't that happening for me? But here's the thing. What you're really doing is comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. You're looking at the middle or even the ending of their story and stacking it against your very beginning. What you don't see are the years behind the scenes, the nights they felt like giving up, the early mornings they showed up anyway, the trial and error, the restarts, the days they were tired, discouraged, and didn't even think they'd get there. Every transformation looks effortless in hindsight, but living it, it's messy. And so is yours, and so was mine, and that's normal. And here's today's self-talk reset. I'm exactly where I need to be. I'm writing my own story, one page at a time. Because your pace is your pace. Your biology is unique, and your wins, though they may feel very small, are stacking up. And maybe it's looser clothes, maybe it's clearer skin, steadier blood sugar, or just enough energy to get through the day, depending on where you're starting. But that's progress. So that's your chapter 2, 3, and 4 unfolding. And the more you honor your own lane, the less joy comparison can steal. So stop measuring your success with someone else's ruler. Don't let another person's highlight reel write your story. This is your book, and the next chapter is still waiting to be written. And trust me, it's going to even get better. And like I always say, consistency wins the race. That was your Self-Talk Sunday. I'll see you for Macro Monday tomorrow.